Welcome to Special Car Stoke. My name is Umesh Samani. I'm the proprietor of Specialist Car Stoke. We do a full walk around video of every single car to show you how nice all our cars are. So please enjoy the walk around video of this car and I'll tell you why you should be buying your car from me. Direct from the last local owner, it is absolutely beautiful. These Vauxhall Insignias are incredible value for money, they really are. This one is top of the range. This is the Vauxhall Insignia Elite 2 litre CDTI diesel automatic, 170 brake horsepower. What a fabulous car. This one's also got many factory fitted options, including the 19-inch wheels, 10-spoke alloys on it, which are all totally beautifully unmarked all the way around. Full leather heated seats, electric seats. Cost you £28,600. It really is absolutely stunning all the way around this car, totally unmarked. These 19-inch 20-spoke alloy wheels do really set the car off. (2016) on a 66 plate with full service history, just 2 owner car, rear parking sensors, just look at that boot, absolutely cavernous, split folding rear seats, through load facility to carry anything a bit long in there for skis, fishing rods, bits of wood, whatever you like. Not being damaged in there, not being abused. Beautifully clean. All the loading area totally unmarked on there, as you can see. All down the sides is just beautiful all the way around. No nasty dings, scratches, scuffs. All the wheels, no damage at all on those. Front parking sensors. Again, all the front end, absolutely gorgeous. Privacy glass. Again, all the upholstery in there. No damage on the scuffs or anywhere, no on the trims anywhere. Lots of legroom in there. It really is a very spacious car. Electric rear windows. Electric windows, electric mirrors, it's got folding mirrors too. Electric seats, memory seats. Again, the upholstery, almost like brand new. You can smell the leather. Centre armrest. USB aux input in there. Again, all the trims, everything is absolutely gorgeous all the way around. The mileage of just 31,482, that's all it's done, 31,482. Great stereo system in it. All touchscreen, navigation, Bluetooth, audio, dual zone climate control, again all fingertip control, heated seats, automatic gearbox, which you can just literally put in drive, let it do its own thing, or you can drive it with a manual change as well. Electronic handbrake with self-release. This fabulous leather sport steering wheel, multifunction, stereo controls, cruise control, all at a finger touch. Folding mirrors, really is fabulous to drive. 170 brake horsepower, smooth automatic gearbox, and totally unmarked. Fabulous value for money. Just 2 owners, top of the range, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. We welcome part exchange. We do the videos to show you how nice all our cars are, to give you the assurance that you can buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. We can arrange home delivery, ask for further details, or reserve and collect from our showrooms. Finance always available direct from ourselves with fabulous low rate deals. Part exchange always welcome. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again. Multi-award winning dealer, Spacious Cars in Stoke. Any further information, we're just at the end of the phone. 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.